Alright, you beautiful tweezer, you. Yep, I am going to be talking about this bad boy right here. Bad boy right here. The Tweezerman slant tweezers. Oh man. I love these tweezers. They are a little sharp, so I definitely gotta be careful of them. Okay, some of the reasons, some of the reasons why I love these tweezers. First of all, my eyebrows growing quick, and I have a lot of them. And I get them tweezed. I used to get them plucked because the medication I use, I wax. It'll literally rip my skin off on the eyebrow of my eye off. Yeah, it's that intense. So, get them tweezed. I used to get them tweezed, and then I went into threading, and then it's like, you know, when you see like a hair or two coming in, you want to just get them out. Okay, these are the reasons why I love these tweezers. First of all, I got to be careful because sometimes I'll be in a rush and I kind of like break the hair, and so it's really hard to get out sometimes. And then it's fine, you know, with threading. It thins like the hair out, so it won't grow back as, how can I say it, as thick and as coarse, I couldn't say. What tweezers am I talking, or am I talking about waxing? Well, I don't know, with threading, my eyebrows still grow back a lot, but I don't know, I guess my hair is kind of like easier to come out or something like that. But anyway, the reasons why I love tweezers as well, just like threading, you can get it from the root instead of raising your hair off. Okay, these tweezers actually do an amazing job. This amazing job getting the hair from the root and not breaking it, like actually getting the whole hair, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't got like little specks or hair that I be like, oh dang, you gotta grow back in, and I can get it. But you definitely gotta be careful because this is sharp. It has left maybe like a little small mark just because of how pointy it is, and plus I was rushing him, and plus I was talking and doing this at the same time and trying to get ready and go out, and then yeah, but I didn't see it until the next morning. But anyway, but did you know about these wonderful tweezers that it won Best of Beauty Allure, the Beauty Expert in 2017? The Best of Beauty Award? Now come on now, like that's a plus. You know, when you get an award from a beauty product, come on now, like you gotta know that's amazing. But yeah, I love this tweezer. Like I'm reading that it says like top eyebrow artist recommends its famous unmatched quality for expert brow shaping. So yeah, your eyebrows is gonna be on point using this, especially if you got your eyebrows done, you got some hairs coming in, and you wanna pluck them out. Yeah, these are some good tweezers right here. For easy tweezing, and I get the same advice when I get waxed. Apply like warm water, you know, or take a shower because their pores are open, so it's easier for the hair to come out. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, if you're new and it might hurt, you may want to grab some warm water and then pluck away. Definitely gotta take your time, you know, and go into the same direction of what the hair is growing in. I had to learn it because when I was trying to go I thought, okay, maybe I should go the opposite direction and then pull the hair, but sometimes I yanked it out to the point where it will still break. So it helps when I go in the same direction when the hair is growing at, and it'll come out so smooth. And that's the beauty of threading too. Like it makes the hair come out, even if it's like look like the same hair that grew in. Because everybody's different, you know. So easily just get them out. Some other things I like about these tweezers is that it's stainless steel. So, and How you clean them is that you can clean the tweezer tips after each use with like some alcohol, not the rubbing alcohol, the clear one, or peroxide. It's saying like do not sanitize body of tweezers as the color normal finish will wear off. So I guess this right here will wear off, and then you don't want to do that. Trying to give some more tips about this. But I mean, try these tweezers out. Seriously, like with tweezers that get an award, that means a lot. Anywhere else on your face, it actually plucks up too. I just pluck my eyebrows like that, like to keep my eyebrows up, especially when I get them done. Yeah, and like I said before, my eyebrows grow back pretty quick. But yeah, again, this is a Tweezerman slant tweezers. Go and get you some, and they come in more colors than this. I think they got one in gold and black. I definitely get those two. But yeah, and it's the same thing on this side. Tweezerman. Like, go get some tweezers, man. Okay, I'm so silly. All right.